Hey guys, we're almost there. This is vlog 170 Phon-Er Gold, and we are almost at the Mercedes-Benz of Santa Monica to fix an iPhone 6s battery for a customer, aka friend. We should get there in a minute. As you see, the weather here in California today is beautiful. It's 82 degrees, blue sky, and of course the air in Santa Monica is always amazing because it's close to the beach, so it's very clear, very clean, not clear, clean, and it's really good for you. So I'm feeling blessed, and I'm always grateful, of course, because anything is everything. So it's awesome. So that's a quote by Ari. Hey guys, I'll see you at the Benz dealership, and I'll show you some of the new cars that they have. I'm pretty sure they'll be cool to be recorded because it's free publicity for them in the marketing. So see you guys there. Peace, guys. Hey guys, I'm here at the Mercedes. As you can see, Mercedes-Benz of Santa Monica. This is the service center. I'm gonna fix the phone for a guy that is at the service center. Pretty cool, right? Pretty nice. What a clean mechanic shop. It's amazing. Okay, so we're just gonna find my guy right now and fix his car. His battery. What up, bro? What's up, man? How are you, brother? Now I bought my car, my camera. I'm like, that's my boy Ryan.
What's up, man?
What up? Hey, brothers. Yeah, so. Guys, and that will conclude the vlog 170. Thank you for watching Phon-Er Gold, and we will see you in vlog 171.